Carmen, and this is
Jay,
Laura,
and Kevin.
and we're headed out tomorrow on our 6-week journey across the United States to see this beautiful country. Had a little bit of a situation. The car would ding, ding, ding after we did it. We had to call the dealership. And they told us that it'll ding for 30 minutes and then shut itself off.
Hi. You can always make decisions on the fly.
I need my wallet.
Now I don't remember what was with what, so I have to go back over the video and look.
That's the reason you shouldn't do this unsupervised.
Yes. Said industrial strength suction cup for GoPro for 150 miles per hour on cars, boats, motorcycles, and more. Well, that's what they do. They put them out there on the outside of the RVs and they film as you go down the road.
That sounds like fun. Sounds like an accident waiting to happen.
Is it?
The GoPro falls off the side of the car, bounces on the road,
We can go buy
tumbles
another.
and tumbles.
We can just go buy another.
No, we're not.
First, I got to figure out how this works, though, before I can own more. I got to figure out how the first one works.
Hi there, this is Jay. I'm loading this big thing up. It's Monday. We're putting all our clothes in here, getting some dry goods in here, and we're getting ready to go away Wednesday morning. Headed to Savannah, Georgia. See a little walking around. Talk to you later. Stop recording. I told you to stop recording, GoPro.
I told it to start again.
Oh, Kevin told you to start. You listen to anybody, won't you?
Hey, we forgot to do that today.
Don't tell these people that.
here she comes, driving through the grass.
Oh my God, Cable!
Good. Good. Good.
So what we have to do tomorrow morning is
Get the brake buddy.
get the brake buddy set up.
Never leave home without your brake buddy. Everybody buddy up.
A hexabud?
Hexabud.
Yeah, Septipod 7.
Is that a real word?
There is now.